Today we have come 2.5 hours south of our home in Nashville, Tennessee to a small park in Fort Payne, Alabama called Little River Canyon, and we are going to explore here and hopefully we're gonna kayak. Along the canyon is an 11-mile scenic drive, which is what we're on now, and this stop is called Hawks Glide. Our next stop is Grace's High Falls, and this is actually Alabama's highest above ground waterfall at 133 feet.
We are starting our hike at Everhart Trail, which is supposed to be a very super cool trail here, and it seems like a really smooth trail downhill and then back up. So pretty quiet too. I guess you don't realize how much steep the hill is until you get to the bottom, or at least to a turning point where you have a going down and a going up, and then you realize, oh, this is gonna be fun going back up. But we're almost to the bottom of the floor, like bottom of the trail, I guess. It is a little bit level now, and it's not as steep as those hills back there.
So some people said you can kayak from this spot, but maybe it's just because of the rainfall yesterday, or maybe not. But these rapids are a little too much for our kayak. So we are gonna head back in just a minute and head up to Chattanooga. But I did want to share a quick thing about this area right here at the base of the river. This actually used to be Canyonland Park and Zoo, and they had a chairlift that took you from the top all the way down here. And obviously it's closed now, probably for good reasons, but it's still super cool that they did have this at one point. my calves are killing me. It's straight uphill. It's rough, but it's great view going down. Well, as you can tell, we are back home in Nashville. We did go to Chattanooga. We tried so hard to kayak, but it was just scattered thunderstorms. There was river flooding, and so the current was just super strong, and we did not feel comfortable for our first time kayaking to go out on that water.
Inflatable kayak, which is actually right here.
Yeah, that's our kayak. So we decided to just chill. We drove around downtown Chattanooga.
And it was raining, so
yeah,
we couldn't really film.
So we're sorry to end the video like this, but if you did still enjoy it, please make sure to like and comment down below and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more adventures. And don't forget to keep adventuring.